Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asif Chaudhary. Today's date is 1st October 2021 and today's topic name is Interface in Java. In this topic we will discuss what is interface, use of interface, difference between abstract class and interface and examples of interface. Let's start the video. First, what is a interface in Java? Is interface is just like a class. It contain only abstract methods. In Java, to achieve interface, provide a keyword implements. In interface, methods are by default public and abstract, and in interface, variables by default public, static and final. Interface provide it is used to interact between client and developer. Let's discuss the use of interface. Interface is used to implement the abstraction. In Java we cannot achieve the multiple inheritance in Java, but by using interface we will achieve the multiple inheritance in Java, and it is used to implement the abstraction. Let's discuss the difference between abstract class and interface. Abstract class contain abstract and non-abstract methods. In interface contain only abstract methods. In abstract class we can declare the abstract class by using abstract keyword, and in interface we can declare the interface by using interface keyword. In abstract class, variables are static, non-static, final, non-final, but in interface variables are static and by default static and final. Abstract class is extended by using extend keyword, and interface is implemented by using implements keyword. In abstract class is a public, protected or private, but in interface it is only it is by default public. Let's discuss the simple example of interface. We can give the real-time example. All the vehicles like bicycle, bike, car have a same functionalities. So we can create the class of so we can create the interface and give the all the functionality to the bike, bicycle and car on in its own class. Let's declare the class vehicle. In class vehicle we can let's declare the interface class vehicle. In class vehicle declare the method change gear, abstract method change gear, abstract method speed up, abstract method, and in create another class bicycle. In bicycle class we can write a method for speed up, we can write the method for change the gear, and we will in bicycle class we can implement the vehicle class. Next another create the class of car. In class car we can in car class we can implement the same methods of vehicles like speed up, change the gear, and provide the body for these methods. And we will in car method we will implement the vehicle method. Let's create another class car. Another class bike. In bike class we can implement the vehicle class, and in bike class we can also create the same methods of vehicle class, but we can like speed up, change the gear. But in bike class we can provide the body for these methods, and by using creating the object we can access these methods. This is all the information about the interface in Java. Thank you.